Daddy. All right, don't it. Oh, black guy, make it on the low. Make creative bad things. You understand me now? All right, correct people, they welcome all of you now. Come the late night show, still on top the every. Ladies and gentlemen, go do applause now. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, now the late night show. Thank you. We love all of you. Thank you back. Thank you. All right, we welcome all of you now. Come the show for today. Hope say una day very, very specific. As it be like this now, we don't start the show proper. All right, we get two amazing guests at the building. Today, now performance things. We want to make sure say we entertain you now this night before we go sleep. All right, I get my favorite DJ, the guy with too fine, the guy that says soft. The softest DJ available on the wheels of steel. DJ Easy. Beat. Oh, like weekend. Hey, all right, so for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we get two very wonderful guys there. When I see these guys for the first time, I was highly amazed upon their performance. All right, they were there to do some kind things for us. And at the same time, we will also get inside the house, Your Flames. They'll come and do some other music things on top of the show for tonight. All right, now still the late night show. My name, Ogbolo. Of course, your boy, you know, like ladies, they call me now. All right, so I'm going to leave for the hand of Easy Beats. We'll go this break. By the time we come back, the show don't start. All right, follow us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. At W Late Night Show. Don't go anywhere, all right? The show don't start now. Easy Beats. Baby, make me just go. The money too much, I'm dashing. Are you feeling my single?